Hello students, in this session we will learn about area. Introduction to area. Children, in previous class we have learned about perimeter. The measurement of the distance around any object is called an perimeter. What is an area? The amount of surface occupied by a shape is called an area. Let us take an example. Look the figure of the field. The space inside the field which has been used for farming is called the area of the field. The space inside this field is called the area. It is rightly said that the space occupied by any flat shape or any surface of an object is called an area. Area is measured in square units such as square centimeter, square meter, square feet and square inches. Square meter can also be written as SQ.m or square centimeters can be written as SQ.cm. We generally use square meter or square centimeter. We use unit square to find the area of any 2D shape. Application of area. Generally, area has many practical applications in our daily life. For example, we often find the area of the room floor to find the size of the carpet to be purchased. Floor covering like tiles also require area measurement. Covering the wall with paint or any wallpaper require the area measurement of the wall. Similarly, fabric used for cloths. In order to purchase the fabric to be used in the cloth, we need to know the area of the cloth. In this way, we have many practical applications of area in our daily life. Area of regular shape. Children, area is measured in square units. Let us know how to find the area of regular shape. For example, find the area of the shape ABCD. To find the area of this given shape, first place the shape on a graph paper. Trace the shape on the graph paper as ABCD. Children, to find the area of a regular shape, count the number of squares that are covered in this shape. As you can see in the picture, the shape ABCD consists of many small squares. So count the number of squares that are been covered inside the given shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The figure ABCD occupies 9 squares. As we know, the one small square is of area 1 square cm and there are 9 squares occupied by this figure. Hence, the area of ABCD is 9 square cm. Remember children, to find the area of regular shape, count the number of squares that are covered inside the shape. Let us take few more examples. Area of birthday card. As you can see, this is a picture of a birthday card. We need to find the area of the birthday card. Trace the picture of the birthday card on a graph paper. Then count the number of squares occupied by this birthday card. After counting, we could find that it occupies 40 squares. Thus, the area of the card is equal to 40 square cm. If area of each small square is 1 square cm, then the area of the square will be 40 square cm. Example C. Area of the clock. To find the area of the clock, trace the shape on a graph paper. Count the number of squares occupied by this shape. After counting, we could find that it occupies 50 squares. Since each square has area of 1 square cm, so area of the clock is 50 square cm. Example D. Find the area of the given shape. As you can see in the picture, the shape has been traced on a graph paper. We need to find the area of this shape. To find the area of this shape, count the number of squares occupied by it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. It occupies 25 squares on the sheet. As each square has an area of 1 square cm, hence the area of the given shape is equal to 25 square cm. In this way, we can find area of regular shape. Let us practice few more sums. Question 1. Find the area of the following shape. Each small square has an area of 1 square cm. Children, as you can see, the picture of the shape has been traced on a graph paper. We need to find the area of this shape. To find the area of this shape, count the number of squares occupied by it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. It occupies 48 squares. As each small square has area 1 square cm, hence the area of the given shape is equal to 48 square cm. Question B. Find the area of the given shape. As you can see in the picture, the shape has been traced on a graph paper. Count the number of squares occupied by this shape. After counting, it could found that it occupies 56 squares. As each small square has an area of 1 square cm, hence the area of this shape is equal to 56 square cm. Finding the area of polygon and other figures. Children, we have learned to find the area of regular shape by counting the number of squares occupied by it. But what if we have to calculate the area of figures which consist of full squares and half squares? To find the area of such polygon and other figures, we need to follow certain rules. Rule 1. Consider the area of full square as 1 square centimeter. Consider the area of half square as half square centimeter. To understand better, let us take an example. Find the area of the figure given alongside. As you can see, a figure has been drawn on the graph paper. The figure consists of full squares and half square. As the figure has been traced on the graph paper, you can see that it consists of full square and half square. The outline of this figure here, it has covered only half of the square. So these can be considered as half square. Now let us find the area of this figure. To do so, first count the number of full square occupied by this figure. as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The number of full square in this figure is 6. Then count the number of half square. As you can see in this figure, we have few half square. Now find the number of half square in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The number of half square in this figure is 10. Now find the area of full square and half square. The number of full square is 6. So, the area of 6 full square is 6 square cm. As we know, each square is 1 square centimeter. Hence, area of 6 full square is 6 square centimeter. The number of half square is 10. So, area of 10 half square equal to 10 multiplied by 1 by 2 square cm. Remember children, to find the area of half square, multiply the number of half square by 1 by 2 as 10 multiplied 1 by 2 square cm, which gives 5 square cm. That means we consider 2 half squares as 1 square cm. Now find the total area covered by full square and half square of this figure. The total area covered by 6 full square and 10 half square is 6 square cm plus 5 square cm equal to 11 square cm. Hence the area of this figure is 11 square cm. Practice time. Let us solve few more sums. Question 1. Find the area of the following figures. Question A. Children, you can see a figure has been drawn on a graph paper. We need to find the area of this figure. To do so, first count the number of full square covered by this figure. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hence the number of full square of this figure is 4. As each small square is of area 1 square cm, hence the area of full square is equal to 4 square cm. Now count the number of half square occupied in this figure. Children, as you can see, as the shape has been drawn on the graph, it has occupied few half square. So count the number of half square of this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The number of half square is 8. Remember children, the area of 1 half square is taken as half square cm. Hence, the area of 8 half square equal to 8 into 1 by 2 square cm, which gives 4 square cm. That means count 1 square cm for 2 half squares. Now find the total area covered by 4 full squares and 4 half squares, which gives 4 square cm plus 4 square cm equal to 8 square cm. Hence the area of the figure is 8 square cm. Remember children, to find the area of such figure, first count the number of full square occupied by the shape. Consider the area of full square as 1 square cm. Then count the number of half square occupied by the shape. Consider the area of 1 half square as half square cm. That means you need to count 1 square cm for 2 half squares. Let us move on to the next example. the area of this figure. As you can see, figure B has been drawn on a graph paper. To find the area of this figure B, first count the number of full square occupied by this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The number of full square of this figure is 6. As each small square is of area 1 square cm, hence the area of full square is 6 square cm. Now count the number of half square. As you can see, as the figure traced on the graph paper, it occupies few half square. The number of half square are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Consider the area of one half square as half square cm. So area of 4 half square equal to 4 into half square cm, which gives 2 square cm. Now find the total area covered by 6 full square and 4 half square, which gives 6 square cm plus 2 square cm equal to 8 square cm. Hence area of the figure B is 8 square cm. Example C. Find the area of figure C. Children, you can see the figure has been drawn on a graph paper. We need to find the area of figure C. To do so, first count the number of full square occupied by this figure. After counting, we could know that the number of full square of this figure is equal to 18. As each small square is of 1 cm square area, hence the area of full square is equal to 18 square cm. Now count the number of half square occupied by this figure. As you can see in the picture, as the figure has been traced on the graph paper, it has also occupied half square 1 and 2. Hence the number of half square is 2. Area of 2 half square equal to 2 into half squared cm, which is equal to 1 square cm. Now find the total area of the figure. So the area of figure C equal to area of the full square plus area of half square, which is equal to 18 square cm plus 1 square cm gives 19 square cm. Hence area of figure C is equal to 19 square cm. In this way, we can find the area of different polygons and other figures. Hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.